additive manufacturing industry is on a real tipping point currently. At this year's Formnext, a lot of the industry is about to cross the chasm from an early adopter, innovative technology to a mainstream mass manufacturing technology. One hot topic is sustainability. And sustainability for additive manufacturing or powered by additive manufacturing has different kind of attributes. I want to give you 4 examples. Number 1 is, just imagine a body shop in an automotive factory with thousands of robots. These robots have gripper, a kind of the hand of the robot. We showcase that you can reduce the weight, you can reduce the amount of parts, you can reduce the cost, but even more important, you can reduce CO2 footprint by more than 80%. Second example, just assume you plan a factory and you want to know in advance what the energy consumption of this factory is. We have expanded our solution with 2 new technologies and cover now all relevant industrial additive manufacturing technologies. Number 3, we as well have a lot of electronics, different kind of factories. In all of these factories, additive can play a crucial role to improve productivity inside of the factory. However, you need to have different kind of printer being made available to factory manager anytime and anywhere. That's made possible by the Siemens Additive Manufacturing network connecting all these factories and making a sharing platform among the printer, but as well giving them a connection to more than 150 service suppliers outside of Siemens. And number 4, we enter the infrastructure and construction industry, and we show here as well composite material you can produce for very large infrastructure parts. This is made possible because we have partnerships today with more than 100 machine builders, and some of them are using robotic integration with our CNC controls as well as our software. Overall, Siemens is collaborating and is looking on transferring with the ecosystem to industrialize additive manufacturing. It's about empowering the customers to create, make, and use additive applications at scale.